welcome to my routine. This is how I prep for the work week for my husband and I. So I get everything ready to make lunches, and then I am back and forth between the kitchen and laundry duty. So here I am just folding laundry, and this is real life adulting. And I'm watching Brittany Pockets and Bows, her Instagram lives that she does on Sundays, and putting laundry away. I love her. I've been following her journey for a long time, so I highly recommend you guys follow her as well. I really hate doing laundry, but it's an unnecessary chore. And now I'm back in the kitchen just prepping our lunches for the next day. I tend to find that when I do our lunches the night before, it makes my morning the next day so much easier, and then I don't feel like I'm frantically running. And if you guys remember from my fridge organization videos, I got these containers. They're so helpful with keeping the fridge organized. My husband loves these yogurts, so I keep the yogurts in the container. And this week I did make some cookies. I love making those kind of cookies into the muffins. And I also put like bread for him because sometimes he likes to eat sandwiches, but I don't make a sandwich right away so that it's not soggy for him and he could just put it all together himself. And now it's time for my lunch, and for my lunch I just take salad because you guys know I am on a fitness health journey, so trying to really watch what I eat. So I pack fruit for myself. I pack my coffee creamer. I have been using the coconut creamer instead of the Starbucks one that I always use. Take carrots, take yogurt. I take a lot of snacks because I like to snack throughout the day instead of eating a solid lunch. And then I just put our lunch bags in the fridge. They're ready to go for the morning. So this is the next day in the morning, and I'm just prepping Babe's breakfast, getting him a croissant, and he likes hot chocolate in the morning, especially when it's cold, and letting him be on his way to work. Oh, just kidding. Bye. Have a good day.
Yeah, thanks, you too. Love you.
Love you too. Next, I go ahead and prep my coffee. So I usually like to drink my coffee in the car as I'm driving to work, and as well as when I get into the office. You guys have seen that through my vlogs. So I love my Keurig machine. Make sure you guys get one or get a coffee machine with a frother. It's a game changer, and since I've been doing this, guys, I have cut back on how much I go buy coffee at Starbucks. So career life-saving tip or finance tip, I guess: save your money, make your own coffee at home. So now here I am doing my hair. I did do a sew-in, and I'm just pressing out my leave out. If you guys are, black, I'm talking about with this, but just getting my natural hair to blend in with the sew-in that I have on, because I wanted to try something a little different. And then I just go ahead and curl my hair with my flat iron. I had a little extra time this morning, which is why I even did this, but this was the week where I said I'm gonna work on my self-confidence by dressing up and spending that extra time getting ready in the morning. And guys, this was a game changer for me. So just put in that little extra effort of doing your hair, doing your makeup. You don't have to do your makeup every day, because I sure don't. But this week I just wanted to change up my routine, and it really, really helped boost my self-confidence. So if you are struggling with self-confidence or imposter syndrome, like many of us are, I just highly recommend taking it to the Lord in prayer. So I prayed after my week of really feeling bad and crappy, and just really prayed on it, and the Holy Spirit really just helped me and reassured me that I am more than enough, and that I am qualified to be where I am in life and where I am in my role. And this, like putting makeup on and dressing up, was just like an accessory in a way, but my self-confidence really just came from going back to God in prayer. So I highly recommend, if you're struggling with that, just try that. Try changing up something in your routine that's gonna help you just boost that level of confidence for you. Hey guys, so it's much later now, excuse the dirty mirror, but much later now. I'm back home and it's 6 o'clock right now. I just got back home from work and I wanted to show you guys how my makeup is looking. So all I did today this morning, if you guys remember, I used the Fenty Beauty and I used my Too Faced Cosmetics concealer, and then I just did a little something to my eyes because 90% of my day this bottom portion is covered with a mask, so at least people get some glam up here. And I did not do my eyebrows, but I still look nice. So Fenty for the win. You guys see, like, I have mask knee again, but that's okay. But overall, you guys see, like, and I didn't even use any powders today. I didn't use setting powder or anything. Y'all saw this morning, literally, this is my face and I like it. It's very natural and nice for work. I did not do anything to my eyebrows. All you guys see is I have a little bit of eyeshadow here. So natural work glam. And everyone today was just like, everyone complimented my outfit today at work, like complimented my hair. So yeah, it just felt really nice to like dress up today. Like last week I was having hardcore imposter syndrome, which I'm gonna make a whole nother video on. And then this week I prayed and I just committed my week to the Lord. And then I said, as a part, I'm gonna embrace my role. So like being the manager in finance, I'm gonna embrace that this week by dressing up, and that's what I've been doing. My color scheme for the entire week is just gonna be black because that's easier for me, and then next week I'm gonna try to do another color scheme. So yeah, I felt good. I feel like dressing up really helped me. I was able to embrace my role. I made some executive decisions. It was a good day. Now let me show you guys. You guys know I have my hair in a ponytail. I used this on my hair. I just had it back here. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine. That was about as realistic as it gets in the morning for hubby and I. Let me know if you guys want to see a couples morning routine, and then I'll try to film one. But usually, like, he's in one bathroom getting ready, I'm in the other bathroom getting ready, and then he always leaves before me. But if you guys want to see a couples morning routine, let me know. If you guys want to see like a weekend one, or if you guys want to see a like work week one, and I'll try to film one for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Over there I usually post a little bit more of like my outfits of the days, so you guys see that in real time, as well as just give you guys some career advice, positive motivation, and all of that. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on there, subscribe, and I'll see you later.